to. Oh, hi everybody, and welcome to the very first Mr. Mac How To. And this one is very simple, and it's just using Canva to animate. And if you've come to this from me posting the video on my Mr. Mac Facebook page of me on a motorbike, then that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I'm just going to go to a new screen. And here we go. So this is just in Canva. I have a pro account. I'm not too sure if this works on just a normal account, but you can check and see. So basically what I would have done is I have already went to Google and I found the picture I want. So let me just take away that. And it's the background of Top Gun because I wanted a picture of myself on the motorbike to replace Tom Cruise. But you can use anything. So let's say you get an image that you want and you want to remove certain bits of it. So I'm going to click the picture, then I go to edit, and it brings up all of these fantastic features on the side. Now I'm going to go to magic layers. This is fantastic, and you can use this for any images you want. Think if you're scanning in images from a picture book or something and you want to remove them. So as you can see, it's scanning it there and it's trying to find the different layers of that picture, and it should present me with it. Oh, here we go. So this is what it's found. I can delete that bit at the top. I didn't even realize that. Oh, whoopsie. Whoops. Anyway, so let's go back here. I'm going to delete Tom Cruise. Goodbye. I want to keep the airplane, but of course I could delete it. I could move it around if I want to. Well, let's just move it. No, let's leave it back where it is. Anyway, so that's that. Then I've got the photograph of myself already uploaded here on a motorbike. Yay, but you might think, look at all this background. We don't want that. So if I select the picture and then go to background remover, there you go. It's already taken it out because I've used it. But what it will do is it will scan it and then eventually take away the background. And again, you can move the picture. You can make it smaller. I'm going to make myself smaller, of course, because you have to make it all relative. And there we go. Done. But you might think, but hey, Mr. Mac, it's not moving. Hold on. So if I click the image again, and then just up here at the top, if I go to Animate, click that. Now you could, there's different ways you could do it here. You could have that one. If you want things to, there's a whip and slide, old TV type one. We don't want that. There's a bit here where it says create an animation. So if I click that, then what I'm going to do is hold down Shift on my keyboard and just drag myself across the picture to give it its path that it's going to follow. So I've clicked Shift, I've clicked my image, and now you can see the little purple line there. I'm going to make myself go up and down just for a laugh. There we go. Yeah, I'm going across, and then there you go. Look, there I go, all the way across. I'm going to just click Done. And then what I would do is I can download that. So I'm going to go to share, and it just sometimes it takes a little sec depending on your internet connection, and mine sometimes a little bit dodge. I'm going to go to download, and then I'm just going to where it says select pages. I just want page 2. Don't know what that's saying. Limited media playback, whatever. And then I'm going to go to MP4 because I want it to be a video that I download. And then all I do is click download, and then that's now going to download to my computer. And I can upload it to YouTube if I want, save it onto memory stick, put it in the shared drive for school, anything like that. But just think about how you could use this for different storybook images, putting the children into storybooks, make them move around certain settings of a story. Like this one that I've got right here. So this is an image of going on a bear hunt, and I've already got this image of myself. I know, Min Jim K. It's the only picture I have that I had of myself where you can actually see my full body. You can change the size. I've already taken the background off it. If you want to, you can, of course, just resize that a little bit so there's no silly big box around it. And remember, if you wanted to, you can also remove different bits of it by clicking the picture, go to edit, magic layers. You can see it scanning the image again to see what it's going to remove. Let's see what it finds. Come along with me on the journey because I've not I've not, as you can see, I've not scanned the picture. If I'd already pre-scanned it, it would do it very, very quickly. So it's seeing what it can find in this picture. I just went onto Google, typed going on a bear hunt images, look at all the different things that it's found. So I could delete the people if I wanted to. Let's get rid of them. Get rid of all the characters. And we're going to be the main character now. Maybe I'll keep the dog, but I'll move the dog over there. Make him a bit smaller. There we go. That's that. Oh, and I've disappeared. So let's see, put myself back in there again. There I am. Remove the background. I'll do it really quickly because, of course, I've done that already. And you can see that I'm looking the other way, but I want to go towards the bridge. So all I need to do is click the image, go to flip, and then flip horizontal. You can see, look how clever that is. I can make myself the giant if I want to. And then to animate, let's see if you can remember, do it with me. I'm going to click the image, go to animate, go to create an animation, and then hold down shift. And there I go. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Off I go. Oh, look, it's a dog. Mr. Mac's scared of dogs. Anyway, so that's that. And that is the very first Mr. Mac how to create a Canva animation. I hope that you liked it.